So, good morning, everyone. So, you see, last day we have learned about generation of computer languages. First, we have learned about low level languages. Here it is low level languages. Fine. So, in low level languages, a computer can understand only binary language, which is in the form of zeros and ones only. This means everything need to be converted into 0 and 1 before the computer can understand it. The low level languages are those which are either in this binary form or very close to it. There are two types of low level languages. One is machine language or first generation language, and another one is assembly language or second generation language. Fine. We have taught you now. Today we will going to start about high level language or third generation language. See, low level languages are computer specific. Fine. There was need to develop computer languages which can run in any type of computers. Try to understand. Low level languages are computer specific. That means it can run in a certain computer where you have used these low level languages. That means these low level languages will not work in different computers. So that is why there was need to develop computer languages which can run in any type of computers. In any type of computers. Fine. So that is why high level language were developed. So that is the reason for high level language were developed. So let us see. It is very close to human languages. Which one? These high level languages. These high level languages, it is very close to human languages. It is easy to read and write. So it is easy to read as well as to write. Next is, first high level languages was designed in 1950. So it was designed in the year 1950s. Now some examples. You can see C, C++, Fortran, Basic, COBOL. Fine. So this is the high level languages or third generation language. Fine. Now come to fourth generation, 4GL or fourth generation languages. It is used to develop software and it is very complex programming languages. So this one is very complex. Fine. It's very hard as well as very complex programming. Some of the examples are PL, SQL, FoxPro, Stata, Oracle, Visual Basic. Fine. So once more I am repeating from beginning. High level languages or third generation languages. Low LLL, that is low level languages, are computer specific. There was need to develop computer languages which can run in any type of computers. Fine. So that is why high level languages were developed. What are they? It is very close to human. It is easy to read and write. First high level languages was designed in 1950s. Some of the examples of high level languages are C, C++, Fortran, Basic, COBOL. Fine. Now here fourth generation, 4GL or fourth generation languages. It is used to develop software and it is very complex programming languages. PL, SQL, FoxPro, Stata, Oracle, Visual Basic. Now come to here about artificial intelligence language or fifth generation language. Artificial intelligence language or fifth generation language. Fifth generation languages are designed to make the computer to solve a given problem without the programmer. The user only need to worry about the programs need to be solved and what conditions need to be met without worrying about how to implement implement a routine or algorithm to solve them. Once more, fifth generation languages are designed to make the computer to solve a given problem without the programmer. So here programmer is not needed. Without the programmer it can be solved. The user only need to worry about the problems. The user have to worry about the problems need to solved and what conditions need to be met without worrying about how to implement a routine or algorithm to solve them. These languages are still at experimental stage. Robots are an example of systems running with artificial intelligence. Is it clear? Some examples are Mercury, OPS 5 and Prolog. So these are the some examples of fifth generation or artificial intelligence language. So here we are here. So in our next class we will learn about computer software and its types. Thank you very much.